Once you do this, the end result is a lot of different things, right? So this lowers, so this is kind of a nested activity. So we'll make a bullet point here, we'll make a bullet point here. So these are like my bullet points over there. So it lowers absorption, right? And then so these two things together, right? So because you're not doing this and you're excreting this. So let's get together. Let's do this. Sorry, I'm trying to get it as. So together, you lower the calcium and phosphate absorption in the intestine, right? You increase the release. Alright, so what else do we do? That's our intestine, that's our kidney, and our bone. So if we're not doing this, we're lowering the activation of osteoclasts. And that lowers release both okay, so as you can see, it's many steps. So phosphate specific, right? You're increasing the activity in the kidney of the sodium inorganic phosphate transporter, so you're just putting more phosphate into the urine to get it to go. Now, in ways that it works together to lower both calcium and phosphate levels, you get a lowered activity of the 1-alpha hydroxylase, which lowers the production of calcitriol, the active hormone. What does this thing do? It lowers all kinds of stuff, right? You also increase 24-hydroxylase activity in the kidney. That increases inactivation and excretion of vitamin D, which means the combination of those two things is you're stopping making active and you're increasing getting rid of what you have. So together, that means you're lowering absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the intestine. You're increasing the release of calcium by the kidney, and also, right, so meaning into the urine. So it's not confusing. And you're lowering the activation of osteoclasts. When you lower the activation of osteoclasts, you lower the release of both calcium and phosphorus into the blood. This is because calcium and phosphorus go together, but fibroblast growth factor 23 is only sensitive to phosphorus levels. So it may be acting on these calcium things because calcium and phosphorus go together, but it's not being released in response to calcium. They go together, so this happens to affect phosphorus levels as well as calcium levels. But remember, phosphorus. I always put that over there. I'm a terrible speller, sorry. I always put it extra phosphorus. Okay. All right, so I'll take a picture of that and give it a minute.